Hi guys, and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram notes not showing on iPhone. To start this tutorial, open your application store in your iOS device. And then in here, use the search bar and then look for Instagram. Now hit enter once you're done typing Instagram. In here, wait for the application store to finish loading. Once App Store loads, look for Instagram and then update the software. You will know it needs updating when it says update on the blue button. Once done updating, it should say open in the blue button. Go ahead, take your time. Make sure your Instagram is already updated. Once done, close your application store and then go to settings. Once you are in settings, go back to the first page of the settings. Once you're here, you will need to scroll down. And then look for general. Once you are in general this time, you will need to scroll down and then look for iPhone storage. Once you find iPhone storage, tap on it. Now wait for it to finish loading. Once you're in here over at iPhone storage, you can now use the search bar or scroll down to look for Instagram. Once you find Instagram, tap on it. Just tap on the Instagram button. Once you're here, the next step to do is tap on Offload App. This one over here. Now read the description if you're not yet sure if you really want to offload the app. Once you are done offloading the app, close settings this time and open your Instagram. Just open and locate your Instagram application in your mobile device. Once the Instagram application is already open, click on your profile on the bottom right by clicking on your profile photo. Once you are in your profile, click on the three horizontal lines on the upper right. This will pop up another window. In here, you will need to tap on Settings, the one with the gear icon. Go ahead and tap on it. It says Settings, and it has a gear icon. And then this will lead you to here. The next step is to go to Account. It has a circular human icon. All you have to do is tap on it. Now once you will be in your account this time, you will need to scroll down. And then look for Switch to Professional Account. Tap on it. And then in here, just click on Continue. You can also read the descriptions if you want to, but in this case, you can just click on Continue. In here, on what best describes you, put it in here, your very own application or your job. In this case, I'm a photographer. Are you a creator? If you are, click on Creator. If not, you will be a business. Once done, click on Next. And then in here, you will need to set up your professional account. Once done, you can now close it. Instagram Notes should now work on your Instagram application. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe.